Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Vivo V11 versus a Oppo F11. And this phone is giving you a new MediaTek Helio P70 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the Vivo V11 is giving you a old MediaTek Helio P60 processor with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. New, old. What is the difference between the processor wise? And Vivo V11 is the fastest one and Oppo F11 is right behind, and everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application is the phone dialer on both phones and faster on the Oppo F11, and V11 is right behind, launching the calculator on both phones, and that is faster on the Vivo V11, and F11 is right behind, launching the settings, and that was about the same on both phones. And both phones is not giving you a super AMOLED display and my clock, and faster on the V11, and F11 is right behind, launching some more application like the My Files, and that was about the same on both phones. And you guys are the judge of the speed test. Launching some games application, first is the Candy Crush, and let's see what is the difference. And Oppo F11 is the fastest one and Vivo V11 is right behind. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones. And Oppo F11 is the fastest one and Vivo V11 is right behind. So last game application is the Temple Run 2 on both phones. And Vivo V11 is the fastest one and Oppo F11 is right behind in this game, and you can see about 1 second difference there. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and faster on the Vivo V11, and F11 is right behind, launching the internet browser on both phones. Vivo Internet versus the Google Chrome. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser. And I've launched the internet browser on both phones, and the first website is the wikipedia.org on both phones, and Oppo F11 is open the website first, and it is also finished up faster than the Vivo V11, about half a second difference there. Let's go back and launching the facebook.com, the website. And F11 is open the website first, and Vivo V11 is also right behind. So let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones is giving you a 4GB RAM, and that got refresh on the Oppo F11. Again refresh, and last is the internet browser on both phones. And overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo F11 and some application faster on the Vivo V11, and RAM measurement is very good on the Vivo V11 but it is very bad on the Oppo F11. I hope the RAM measurement will improve some software updates in the future. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo V11 versus the Oppo F11. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.